Hi friends, welcome to our counting adventure. Today we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the number 1. Look, 1 red ball. Let's say it together. 1. Here is the number 2. 1, 2, 2 blue balloons. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3 little frogs are jumping. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Look, 4 red apples. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yummy. 5 bright stars twinkling in the sky. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, so shiny. Here come 6 buzzing bees. Bees, zzz, zzz. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Careful, they're busy making honey. 7 colorful fish swimming in the pond. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Splash, splash. 8 little cupcakes, so sweet and yummy. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who wants a treat? 9 happy butterflies flying all around. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Flutter, flutter. Wow, look at this. 10 dancing kids. Let's count one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo, you did it. Wow, you did an amazing job. Now you can count from 1 to 10. Let's say them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.